Good morning everyone. Today we will be doing worksheet number 10. Sheetal went to a stationery shop with her father to buy items for her mathematics project. Okay, so Sheetal has went with she is going with her father so that here she can buy some material for mathematics project. She makes a list of items that she bought along with their price and quantity. Now this is a list in which she is telling you the price of an item and the quantity, how much things that she has bought. Okay, so calculate the amount of spent by her father to buy each item. Also find the total amount spent. So as you can see here, now we have to find the actual amount of how much money she is spending on each item. One material जो उसके कितने रुपीस का आया है, and second thing total amount that she has spent, that we have to find. So here she has bought these items: chart paper, sketch pens, pack of sketch pen, pack of crayon. Chart paper she has bought 3, sketch pen packet is 1, and 2 crayon packets. So now chart paper 1, this is price per item, means one cost of one item is given rupees 12, cost of one sketch pen is rupees 79, and cost of one crayon is 56. Okay, now we have to find the cost of 3 chart papers. I have told you, when the cost of one thing is given and you have to find the cost of many things, you have to multiply. Please remember this thing. So now 12 multiplied by 3 is equals to, so now how you will write? 12 you will write up, 3 you can write down. Okay, so 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3, you can make the rupees sign like this. Then pack of sketch pen is 79 rupees 79. When you multiply any number with 1, you will get the same answer. So look here also you can see 1 multiplied by 9 9, 1 multiplied by 7 7. So rupees 79 will be the answer. Here she has bought 2 crayons, but one crayon packet is of rupees 56. So we have to find the cost of 2 packets of crayons. So 56 multiplied by 2. So 2 6 the 12, 1 up, 2 5 the 10, plus 1 11. Okay, so these are all are the answers. Okay, now we have to find the total amount of all these items. Okay, so now we have to add 112, 79, 36, like I have written like this. You can write it here only. So now 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17. So 7 we will write down and 1 we will write up. Okay, so now 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So 2 we will write down and 1 we will write up. Okay, 1's digit down and 10's digit up. Now 1 is left. As there is nothing, we can write 0 0 also. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 227 is the answer. So total amount spent is rupees 227. You can write in the book. Okay, write all the possible ways to plant 12 roses, 12 rose plant in a row. You want to plant 12 roses in a row with equal number of plants in each row. Do you remember this thing? So we have to find such a way in which we should be having the equal number of plants in a row. So obviously we have to find the factors of 12 here. Okay, and so that we can plant it accordingly, so that when we multiply we get 12 here. So you can plant 2 roses in 6 rows or 6 roses in 2 rows. Okay, like this. So it will be 12. Here you can plant 3 roses in 4 rows, or you can plant 4 roses in 3 rows, like this also. Or you can plant 12 roses in 1 row, or you can plant 1 rose in 12 rows. Okay, but this will not be the option, these two will be the options. Okay, do remember this thing. So what we have found, the factorization of 12 here we are finding. Okay, so we will not be doing these two questions, you can cut, and this one also, because it is a block method and this one is of tables, and I cannot give these thing in your paper, so that's why. Help Riddhima solve the following multiplication problems mentally. Okay, so mentally means how you have to solve it, like without calculation you have to solve it. So I will tell you the trick here. Everyone, as you can see here, that here it is multiplying with 100 100 100 100 100. Okay, so trick is, you just forget about this 0 0, you just multiply this number with 1. Okay, so 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, you just write 2. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there, so you will write 2 zeros afterwards. Okay, again here 4 multiplied by 1, 4, and how many zeros? 2 zeros, so 2 zeros. Now again 5 1 the 5, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 7 1 the 7, and 2 zeros, 2 zeros here. Now 6 1 the 6, 0 0 0 0 here. Now 115 the 15 and 2 zeros, so you can write 2 zeros here. As you can see here, when we are multiplying any number with 10, so we will be just multiplying with 1 and you will put the 0 afterwards, a single 0 afterwards. If you are multiplying with 1000, so you will multiply with 1 and then number with 1 and then you will put 3 zeros afterwards. Like this we happen. Okay, so here now observe the pattern carefully. A to F we have observed. So now when you multiply any number with 100, so what is happening, that you put the 2 zeros afterwards. Okay, you can put the 2 zeros afterwards and you will multiply with 1. Okay, so 11 multiplied by 100 will be, it will not be that difficult, because 11 multiplied by 1 is 11 multiplied by 1 is 11, and 2 you will put 2 zeros. Again if you multiply any number with 0, so your answer will be 0. Here 100 multiplied by 38, you will multiply 38 with 1 and then you will put the 2 zeros. 38 multiplied by 1 and then you will put this 2 zeros afterwards. Okay, then afterwards 75 multiplied by 100, so 75 multiplied by 1 and you will put these 2 zeros afterwards. 7500 ho jayega. Now 24 multiplied by 1 and then you will put the 2 zeros afterwards. Then 17 multiplied by 1 and you will put these 2 zeros afterwards. So this is our, we have finished this question also. Now we will come to next question. Complete the multiplication sentence. So here this one is quite easy. 13 multiplied by 4 is what? So that it will be equal to dash multiplied by 13. I have already told you in multiplication you can actually switch the places. You can change the places of the number. So if it is 13 multiplied by 4, so you can write 4 multiplied by 13. Both are equal, both are same. Okay, now 7 multiplied by 700. Obviously you will not multiply and you will get the answer here. You can just multiply 7 7 the 49. 7 7 the, just see this, 7 7 the 49 and put the 2 zeros afterwards. You can put the 2 zeros afterwards. Okay, now any number multiplied by 100 you get 0, so you will put it 0 here. Okay, now 6 4 the, 6 4 the is 6 4 the is 24. Okay, now you want to put any number here so that you get 24, the same number here. So here what you will do is you will write 8 table. Now 8 is given. Do we have 24 in 8 table? Yes, we have 24 in 8 table. At what number we are having 24? So we are having 24 at 3. So you will write 3 here. Okay, now 10 here we will firstly solve this thing. 46 multiplied by 100, I have already told you 46 multiplied by 1, 46, and you will put 2 zeros here. 10 multiply with what, so that you can get 100, so there are 2 zeros, so you obviously multiply with 10 only. Okay, when you want to have 2 zeros here, 1 zero is given, you will multiply with second zero, so 1 we will write here. 2 multiply with what, so that we get 200, so आपके पास में 0 0 है, 2 पीछे and 200 is there, so you will multiply with 100. Okay, now dash multiply with 100, so you get 1500, so obviously you will multiply with 15 here. Now the last two questions that are important. 10 into 10 is same as dash multiply by 5 is equals to dash. Okay, this is given. So as you can see here, 10 into 10, 10 into 10 is 100. Okay, so you are given 5 here. So 5 को कौन से number से multiply करें so that we get 100. So we will 10 into 10, you can write 100 here. So 5 को 20 से multiply करेंगे, 5 to the 10 and you will put zeros here. So then you will get 100. Okay. Now 10 into 4, 10 into 4 is 40. Do remember this thing. So you put 40 here. Now you have been given 20 already. 20 के table में 20 के table में 40 कितने पे आएगा? 2 पे आएगा. You will write 2 here. So 40 will be the answer. Okay, I hope that you have understood this thing. Now we have to find the multiplication sentence. Multiplication sentences here, so that we have 12. Okay, now you have to find the numbers in which we are having 12. Okay, I have already told you when you multiply any number with 1, so you will get the answer. So you can write 1 into 12 and 12 into 1 also. Now check with 2 table. Do you have 12 in 2 table? Yes, we have. 2 6 the 12, or we can write 6 2 the 12. Both are correct. So 2 6 the 12, 6 2 the 12. And is there any number that we are having 12? Yes, we have. You can check with 3 table also. 3 4 the 12 or 4 3 the 12, both are correct. Okay, so there are 5 petals, so we have written 5 multiplication sentences. Okay, now we have to find the number 24. So as you can see here, 1 into 24, when we multiply any number with 1, you will get the 24 answer. Then again afterwards, what we will write, 24 into 1 भी लिख सकते हैं. Now in 2 table, do we have 24? Yes, we are having 2 table 24. At what number? 2 के टेबल में आप किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? So nobody will think 2 10 the 20, then it's over. Please don't think that. 2 11 the 22, or you can say 11 to the 22, or then afterwards 12 to the 24, 12 to the or 2 12 the is 24. Okay, now we will check with 3 table. Do we have 24 in 3 table? Yes, we are having 3 at 24 in 3 table. At what number you are having 24? So 3 8 the, so 3 8 the is 24, or you can write 8 3 the 24. Okay, both are correct. Now in 4 table also we are having 24, so 4 6 the 24, you can write. 32 table, 1 into 32 and 32 into 1, both are correct. ठीक है. Then we are having 2 table 32. Yes, we are having 32 in 2 table. At what number we are having? You can divide 32 by 2 and then you will get the answer here. So 2 16 the we are getting 32, or 16 to the 32. Now in 3 table, do we have 32? No, we don't have 3 table 32. Then we will go for 4 8 the 32, or 8 4 the 32, both are correct. I have written like this. Okay, now 36, next number, similarly like 36. So again 1 multiplied by 36, or 36 multiplied by 1 is 36. Now in 2 table we are having 36. At what number we are having 36? 2 18 the 36. Okay, now in 3 table also we are having 36. 12 3 the or 3 12 the 36 होता है. 4 9 the, so we are having 36. So these all are the multiplication sentences that we have finished. I hope that you have understood the chapter now, and this by this we have finished our chapter 5. We have finished with chapter 5.